Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Stay with us. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. First we're opening the color of silver, and the next one is light green color, purple color, red color, light pink color, orange color, white color, brown color, blue color. The next one is dark green color, black color exactly, dark pink color, yellow color, sky blue color. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets A to Z. Sky blue color.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
The next one is
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
D. D for dog,
T,
E
U,
for egg, E for elephant,
W,
F for fish, F for fan,
Y, and
G for
Now
car.
I know my
Yellow color,
ABCs.
exactly.
Next
Now
time,
we're writing
won't
the
you
alphabet of
sing
H.
with me?
I, J, K, L. L for lion, L for lemon, M for moon, N for mango, N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. Light green color, exactly. The alphabet of O. P, Q, R, S for snake, T, U for umbrella. The next one is V. Now we're using the color of purple. V for van, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.